The graveyard of aeroplanes refer to the Davis Munhart Air Force Base in Tucson, Arizona, USA. It also known as the Boneyard or 309th Aerospace Maintenance and Regeneration Group. Here are some interesting facts about this unique place. Aircraft storage. The base stores over 4,000 retired military aircrafts, including fighter jets, bombers, and transport planes. Preservation. The dry desert climate and low humidity help preserve the aircraft, reducing corrosion and damage. Recycling. Many aircraft are recycled for parts which are then used to repair and maintain other planes still in service. Tourism. The base offers guided tours allowing visitors to explore the facility and see the aircraft up close. Environment benefits. The recycling and storage of aircraft at the base help reduce waste and minimize the environmental impact of aircraft disposal. It's a fascinating place offering a glimpse into the history of military aviation and the innovative ways that aircraft are repurposed and recycled. Thank you.